Michael Saylor just dropped a prediction at the Conservative Political Action Conference. President Trump is rallying behind crypto, and the SEC is starting to play nice. Could we be standing at the edge of a financial revolution, one that redefines money, power, and the global order as we know it? Welcome back to the Digital Asset Report. Bitcoin is center stage in US politics right now as President Trump and Michael Saylor push for America to embrace digital assets. With Bitcoin recently hitting all-time highs, new SEC changes reshaping the industry, and major moves in stablecoins and crypto exchanges, the future of finance is shifting fast. Let's break it all down. At CPAC 2025, Michael Saylor delivered a powerful speech framing Bitcoin as the most powerful technology force for conservatism. Saylor's company Strategy, the largest corporate holder of Bitcoin, now owns 478,740 Bitcoin worth $48 billion. He argued that Bitcoin provides integrity and sovereignty, protecting individuals from government overreach, inflation, and centralized financial control. His message was clear: Bitcoin isn't just an investment, it's a revolution. He called for the United States to establish a national Bitcoin reserve, positioning Bitcoin as a strategic financial asset for the country. With the political landscape shifting, Saylor's argument that Bitcoin offers an escape from economic manipulation is gaining traction. Just a day earlier, President Trump reinforced this message at the Future Investment Initiative Priority Summit in Miami.
Jones Industrial Average is up 2,200 points, and Bitcoin is set multiple all-time record highs because everyone knows that I'm committed to making America the crypto capital. We want to stay at the forefront of everything, and one of them is crypto, and Miami seems to be the center of the action, come to think of it, and maybe it'll stay there.
Trump highlighted Miami's role as a hub for digital assets, reinforcing his administration's move towards a more pro-crypto regulatory framework. This marks a major shift from the previous administration's enforcement-heavy stance that discouraged crypto firms from operating within the U.S. With both Trump and Saylor advocating for Bitcoin's place in the U.S. economy, the idea of a U.S. Bitcoin reserve is no longer just speculation and feels imminent. In a clear sign of this regulatory shift, the SEC has dropped its appeal against the dealer rule, a major win for the crypto industry. The rule would have required crypto liquidity providers in DeFi with over $50 million in capital to register as securities dealers. After a federal court ruled against it in November, the SEC, under its new leadership, has chosen not to fight back. This move signals the start of SEC Crypto 2.0, a more innovation-friendly approach to regulation. Many in the industry see this as a significant step toward clearer, more business-friendly rules. Meanwhile, a new S&P Global Ratings report points out that stablecoin adoption in the US is stagnating due to lack of clear regulations. With institutional players hesitant to engage, lawmakers are stepping in. The Genius Act and the Stable Act aim to provide a regulatory framework for stablecoins, which could open the floodgates for mainstream adoption. However, some analysts believe that these regulations could also pose challenges for major stablecoin issuers like Tether. If the US is serious about becoming the crypto capital of the world, stablecoins must be a part of the conversation. Meanwhile, Kraken is still in talks to acquire Deribit, the leading crypto options exchange by volume. Despite reports that negotiations had stalled, sources confirm that the deal is still alive and well, with Deribit valued between $4 billion and $5 billion. This acquisition would give Kraken a dominant position in the growing crypto derivatives market. But there's another twist. Coinbase is also rumored to be interested in acquiring Deribit. With institutional demand for Bitcoin skyrocketing, crypto derivatives trading is becoming a massive battleground, and the exchange that controls this market could gain a major competitive advantage. Bitcoin's at an inflection point. Trump is pushing for America to lead digital assets. Michael Saylor is calling for a Bitcoin reserve, and the SEC is pivoting towards a more innovation-friendly stance. The future of crypto in the US is looking brighter than ever. Do you think Bitcoin should be part of the US financial system? We want to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Be sure to give us a follow and head over to bitgo.com to learn more.